Hey, what's up guys, Mitch HD here. I have another really awesome model. This is the Boeing 777-300 in the house colors by JC Wings in a 1 to 200 scale. Check the description in case you miss anything throughout this video. My Facebook and Twitter links will be down there, as well as the website where I pre-ordered this from, which was easytoys.com. This is my 26th 777 model and it's my second Boeing House model. Some information about Boeing. Their operations base is out of Chicago in Illinois. They were founded on the 15th of July 1916 by William Boeing in Seattle, Washington. That means this year they're celebrating their 100th anniversary, which is a massive achievement in aviation. The Boeing Company is a multinational corporation that designs, manufactures and sells aeroplanes, rotorcraft, rockets and satellites. The stretched 777-300 was designed as a replacement for the 747-100s and 200s. Compared to the older 747s, the stretched 777 has comparable passenger capacity and range, but burns 1/3 less fuel and has 40% lower maintenance costs. The 300 features a 33.3 foot or 10.1 meter fuselage stretch over the baseline 777-200. This allows for up to 550 passengers in a single class high dense configuration, an arrangement adopted for heavily trafficked Japanese routes. There were 3 engines offered for the 777-300, Pratt & Whitney PW4098, Rolls-Royce Trent 892, and the General Electric G90-92B and the -94B. ANA, Korean Air and Japan Airlines opted for the Pratt & Whitney engines, while Cathay Pacific, Emirates, Singapore Airlines and Thai opted for the Rolls-Royce engines, and nobody went for the General Electric. This aircraft's first flight was on the 16th of October 1997. It was delivered on the 27th of October 1998 to the launch customer for the type, Cathay Pacific. Okay, so let's take a look around the box here. Alright, so nothing up there. We just got an actual picture of the real aircraft. Boeing 777-300, 1 to 200 scale. On the back of the box, licenses, warnings and the JC Wings logo. On the top and the bottom. And there's the model. Alright guys, the model is now out of the box and we're going to start here at the cockpit windows on the port side. Alright, so there we have the cockpit windows, window wipers, pitot tube, static ports. We have a name there which I was not able to find out, but I'm guessing that's the captain's name. Captain that flew this test aircraft. We have experimental by the first cabin door. We have the initial airlines, that initially ordered it before it flew or produced. We have an order: Cathay Pacific, Korean Air, ANA, Thai Airways, Japan Airlines, Singapore Airlines, Malaysia, which did not receive any. They chose, I think they opted out of it last minute. And the last one, I'm not sure who that is. We have the Boeing 777-300 titles, inboard landing lights. Then we have the Rolls-Royce logo on the engine, because this is a Rolls-Royce Trent 892 engine. Alright, so the engine, the fan blades do spin. The stroke on the inside of the engine nacelle. The same on this side. Got the landing lights there. And then coming along the leading edge of the wing, we've got the wingtip and the red navigation light. Back onto the fuselage, the nice chrome fuselage, the cheat line down the middle, and then we've got the registration number N5014K or November 5014 Kilo. We then have 777-300 on the tail. The APU exhaust looks very nice. Back at the cockpit windows, this time on the starboard side now. And same stuff as the other side, but we have the front cargo container door, Boeing 777-300 inboard landing light, Rolls-Royce logo on the engine, the green navigation light, back onto the fuselage, rear cargo container door, bulk bin door, registration number, and Boeing 777-300 on the tail. Alright, so let's take a look underneath the aircraft now. Okay, so we have the nose gear, gear door, the Naka ducts, antenna, Hofler stand, beacon light, main gears, gear doors, flaps, slats, ailerons. There's the fuel dump valve right there, the little piece sticking out. No raked wingtips because obviously this utilises the 777-200 and 200 ER wings. Underneath the engine. Same on this side. Continuing down, we have, I think, oh, that's a shame. You can see the little black dot, that's a hole and it's missing an antenna. So maybe it's fallen out in the box, hopefully it has and I can find it, but I have not noticed it until now, so that's a shame. Antenna, tail skid, and then the APU housing. On top of the aircraft we have the anti-collision light. You can see my fingerprint, just got to wipe that off. It's from when I was holding it when we were looking underneath the aircraft just before. Antenna, ADF antennas on the wing, flaps, slats, ailerons and spoilers. Same on the other side. And continuing down we have the SATCOM antenna and the two grey dots at the leading edges of the horizontal stabilizers. They are the logo lights, they light up the tail at night time. Alright. Okay, so some features of this model now. We have rolling landing gear. Landing gear tilts as well. And then the nose gear swivels. This one's a bit, there we go. And it turns the other way as well. Alright, now I'll show you guys the stand. Standard JC Wing stand with the plaque with Boeing logo, 777-300, scale 1 to 200. The wooden base. Also got the blue film that protects the metal on the back. I'm just going to remove. There we go. And then the padding on top of the stand to protect the model underneath. Okay, so there it is on the stand, guys. Gears are magnetically removable. And when you want it in the in-flight position on the stand, you have the gear doors here to put on. Alright, so this gear on the right doesn't seem to tilt forward in the proper way when landing. The left one does, but yeah, the right one is almost stuck. It wants to only tilt back. That's kind of a shame. Now it does tilt forward slightly, but yeah, not as much as it should. Anyway, guys, I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you did. Comment, tell me what you think of this model. Tell me if you're going to get it. Subscribe for more. I have 8 more reviews on the way. Go check out my previous one, which was the Boeing 747-8 in the Sunrise delivery. That you can see in the background just over here. And share this video so other people can know about it and see if they want to get this well. So I'll just show you guys around. I highly recommend getting this model. It is a beautiful model indeed. The chrome looks so nice on this model. It's, similar in a way to the old American Airlines livery. Anyway, guys, I really hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.